Hello and good day to everyone. This is T.U.E HI-TECH, a company that provides complete solution for nonwovens. This year 2020 came up with the worst epidemic, and I hope all of you with your loved ones are safe and sound out there. It makes us feel so sad that we cannot have a direct contact with all of you and we cannot invite you here because of this COVID-19. But here we are with a motto that the show must go on. So we bring up this video as an introduction to our new customers and the upgradation to our old customers, updating all the projects and the development we have done during this time. So let's go and have a look on what's inside. Ni hao. I think he comes up with something that we need to follow when we go to the workshop. Oh, it's the helmet. So for safety, we suggest all our customers to use a helmet and go inside. So, for entering the workshop, we would like to show you our existing office. And this one is our first workshop, which is basically for the production, with the area of around 9,000 square meter. The second one that you can see on the right side is our assembly section, and the one that you have seen, which is getting constructed, is our new office. Here we go. This is our workshop for the production, and we are here to just show you an overview of what's inside. To CNCs. This section is particularly for the placement of the big and the small CNCs machine. As we have said that we deliver our promise through the performance of the machine. So here, performance is aided by the quality that we try and work hard to maintain in all our small and big machines. So here they are maintaining the precision in the small parts and the big parts with the quality. Here they are trying to record some job sets that has been assigned to each and every departments. We always say customer first and the quality first. So this is how we are doing. Let's take a closer view. This is our another CNC. And we're doing some treatments for some parts. Here we are for the top view of whatever we have visited so far. And this is our another CNC where we make the special big machines, frames, the shaft and everything, especially for cutting, cross lapper, needle loom and oven. And this pit is for our another CNC, which we will be installing maybe by the end of this month. And this one is our painting and drying section. So our painting and drying section has the air filtration part where the painted fumes are filtered through this filtration and gets adjusted to the outer atmosphere. So basically we exhaust the filtered air. And here we go for the laser cutting. So basically we have these laser cutters which can cut the metals for about 1 mm till 30 mm. And this is our welding with We call it as a robotic welder. So let's go to our second workshop, that's the assembly section. Welcome again to our assembly section. Since we need to make a lot of shipment before Chinese New Year, that's going to be on Feb, so we're almost ready with the machines that has to be shipped. This is electrical cabling and assembly section. So these are some cabinets. Later we will show you what's inside, what are the drives that we're using. Okay, this is the drive that we're using is all Siemens. The connectors, all the electrical parts are basically Siemens. Let's take a closer view. All the processes for non-woven, let us talk about number one. That's the first process for non-wovens. It's opening and blending. So this section is particularly for opening and blending machines. As you can see, there are the bell openers. So each bell openers are different as per the model and the structure. As we said, we provide the customized service to our customers. So here the different models are different as per the requirement of our customers. Like for KBA, it's a simple bell opener with the automatic weighing control. KBB has the supporting rollers and beating rollers. So the nails that has been used in the lattice is the stainless steel nails, and we are not using the wooden lattice. It's aluminum lattice with a long life. This is another machine called mixing machine. You call it mix master or mixing master or blender machine or big hopper blender. So let's move on to the wave formation part. Now this machine is the air pressure feeder. On to the carding and wave formation. These are the air pressure feeders. And this is the foundation for our carding machine. We're just trying to assemble it. And as you can see, there's a complete structure with the air pressure feeder. The second one is the weighing control machine. And the third one is the carding machine. So why we say our carding machine is really different from others, or why we stand out unique, is because of the structure that they have. Like you can see, we have an advanced suction system in our carding, and we assure the stability of the rollers because we do have the interlocking system in the rollers, as you can see in the cylinders. So the motors that we use are all Siemens bead, that's in China. This is another carding. So it depends as per the speed of the carding. So normally we have different models with 40 meter per minute, the web speed. Another one is with 60 to 70. And the one that's for Spunlace, as you can see in this video, is around 100 meter per minute. Why we define this is because of our rollers, the structure we make. So this is the cross slapper, and this cross slapper is also designed for Spunlace with the speed of around 120 meter per minute. So the belt we use is Haberseat belt. The control system we use is Siemens. The rollers we are using is the balanced rollers. And the good brand with the timing belts. And this is for the unwinder. Basically we call it the finishing part. This is the web drafter with the drafting ratio of around 1:3. Normally drafters are used to increase the speed and also create the drafting in the web. Now this is the needle punching section, or we call it needle bonding section. And this is our newly introduced needle loom with rocker arm structure. As we can see, the guiding is really precise, and this is what is our USP. The punching for this needle loom is around 1200 to 1500 RPM with a stroke of around 36 to 40. Right there is the machine that's getting tested. Normally we do the testing of our needle looms and some major machines before the shipment to our customers. So here we are checking is the RPM. This is the oven, especially for hot air through. And we welcome you to our office. So this is our meeting room where we just conduct our daily meetings. And here it is for our marketing department. So this meeting room, or we call it a sample room. It's basically for our customers, where we do the meetings and discussions before finalizing the order or when they visit us. And this is our technology department. We're using the software Pro E to make the CAD drawings. Good enough. So we really welcome you all to visit us. You can visit us at www.TUE91.com, or you may visit us to our factory, which is around 2 hours drive from Shanghai. Thank you. See you then. Bye-bye.